In order to make a skull cap, optional but recommended, first you'll need to cut out an oval or foreshortened circle, however you want to think of it, for a 24-inch head. This is about 8 inches long and about 6.5 inches wide. I think you can draw a freehand circle. You might want to make it out of paper first, just to make sure. Okay, for the band, here is a piece about 24 inches long and about 4 inches wide, but you can make it to whatever size you like. And before sewing it, we're going to iron about 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch seam. Alright, yeah. Alright, good, yes. Start by sewing the headband with an iron flap. On smallest width. Length 2.5 should be fine. You don't really need to go double back. Okay, let's see. Make sure the eye is up. Here we have the band and the crown. It might not hurt, but be careful. Always use, there's a washable pencil. Just put a small little dot in the middle, here and here. Alright, so that way we know where to start pinning them together. Make sure you have the wrong side out and the right side in. Okay. And I like to put a slightly bigger pin in the middle. Alright. I'll just pin as we go around. Yes. Every thumb's length or an inch or two. Yeah, since this is a curved piece to a straight piece, it may take a little bit more. Alright, I'm just going to pin 1/2 and maybe a little bit of the other side. The back center is almost negligible. Chances are it's going to be cut anyway. And I think you can finish off pinning it on this side. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's going to be a little bit longer, but it's better that way than it's shorter. Yeah. On there. For some reason I ran out of pins, so here's a little trick. Yeah. Length on 3, width in the center, you can use the seam ripper to pull out needles, and once you do, you can pin them on the other side. So, yeah, okay, let's go along a little bit further. upon reaching the halfway point, it would be a good time to pin the rest of it. Alright, yeah, we have a little bit of excess here, so let's just bring this side a little bit closer. Because the seam in the back is almost negligible. It's going to be covered one way or the other, usually. Alright, yeah, let's continue. Alright, let's still make sure we get to this other side here. As a matter of fact, that'd be a good idea to take it out now and repin it. Remember, trying to save 5 minutes can cost 30. Alright, let's see here. Still have our center pin up there. Let's just turn it over. We can take the pins out if needed. Right. And come over here to the side, pin up the back of the band. Yeah. Making sure it's still right side out. There. Alright, now it looks like I have enough point. Maybe just one more pin here to be safe. Yeah, I think I could go ahead and snip that off. Alright, I'm going to come up the side, sew the band, then finish sewing this. Or maybe reverse. Let's try it. Making sure there aren't any overlapping seams. Alright, let's pull out any extra pins we can. Here we go. Get this one out here from the back. Now lift up the foot, carefully move it around. Now lift up the needle, carefully reposition to sew down the back crown. Okay, bad idea. So all we have left to sew is the back crease of the crown, so let's do that and be done now. Reverse a little bit. And it is now, oh, now it's